Hello everyone. Hope everyone is doing good. So today we are going to check out the platform called Postwise. And it is a pretty much easy to use tool. All you need to do is, create an account. Once you have created an account, you'll get an option for a writer. Now in this you just need to enter the context or the idea on which you want to tweet. So, for example, I want to understand, the importance of writing journal. So I could write 5 reasons to start selling on Etsy. Every day, as soon as I hit enter, it is going to give me 6 AI tweets which are, in context to whatever you mentioned in the input, the topic which you had mentioned. So here as you can see, 5 reasons to general, every day clarify your thoughts in depth, understanding and lot more. So you'll always get 6 variants of whatever you enter. And the good thing about this is based on whatever topics you enter, it also shows you topic ideas. So these are some of the topic ideas which you can use. So for example, let me click on to easy to set up and get started. So what it's going to do is it's going to create another 6 variants of this topic called easy to set up and get started. As NC clean your space, organize your files and your day and a lot more. So whenever you are having a thought, you can directly put down that in your input and it'll try to, come up with a complete tweet idea. And now the good thing is clicking on any of this tweet, you will be able to open the editor where you can edit the content as well, or whatever changes you need to make in the content or the format. And once that is done, you can schedule the tweet or you can post it right away. So it is very much easy to come up with the tweet ideas with the power of AI as well as providing an inbuilt scheduler so that way you can keep on coming with new ideas and schedule your tweet. So for example, let's take another example where I'm just adding a success cannot be shortcut. This is just an example. So let's see how it come up with multiple variants. Yeah, so success is not a shortcut. It's a sum of hard work, smart work, determination, patience, enjoy the me and set reality goals. So if you see it, it also provides you a different format and it's organized well. So you can either use it as an inspiration, you can take the reference of this tweet and make some changes in post, or it is becoming a lot easier to, generate or come up with the complete tweet when you have some rough idea in your mind. Feel free to try this out. And the good thing about this is, Postwise is currently offering discount. If you want to try and, get the subscription for the paid plan, all the details of that are mentioned, the document, feel free to check out and if you like, try to leverage it for your inspiration and save time. Thank you.